In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find Freshsales API key. This is a simple process and it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. An API key is useful when you want your Freshsales account to connect with other tools, such as automation platforms or custom applications. So let us get you to the right place in your Freshsales dashboard. First, log into your Freshsales account. Before you do anything else, make sure you are signed in to the correct workspace, because different accounts can have different settings. After you log in, you should see the main dashboard or the home screen where you can access your profile options. Next, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. The profile icon is usually a small circle with your photo or initials, and it may also show a drop-down arrow. This step matters because the API options are typically grouped under account settings. Take a moment to locate that top right area and then click the icon so the menu opens. After you open the profile menu, select Settings. This is where Freshsales collects administrative options related to your account and configuration. If you see multiple items in the menu, look for the one labeled Settings, then click it. This will move you from your main dashboard into the area where configuration tabs are available. Now that you are in Settings, navigate to the API Settings tab. Depending on your interface layout, you might see a row of tabs, or you might see a menu on the side. The API Settings tab is the key location for retrieving what you need. Click on API Settings and wait for the page to fully load, since the key information might not appear immediately while the page refreshes. Once you land on the API Settings tab, your API key will be displayed there. This is the part you came here for, so look carefully at the section where the key is shown. In some layouts, the API key may be hidden for security purposes until you choose to reveal it. If you see an option such as View, click it. If you do not immediately see the full key, this does not mean it is missing. It often means the key is concealed until you request to view it. After you make the key visible, you may need to click or press Copy. Freshsales may provide a copy button, and that is the easiest way to grab the full value without selecting it manually. If there is no copy button and you instead see the key already visible, you can usually click into the key field and select it, then copy it using your device shortcuts. Either method works, and the goal is to ensure you capture the entire key accurately. At this point, you have successfully found and retrieved your Freshsales API key from the API Settings area. If you plan to paste it into another system, double-check that it copied correctly, since missing characters can cause authentication issues. It is also a good idea to keep track of when you retrieved it, especially if your setup requires verification, or if you later need to rotate keys. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.